decorate this?
It's not a picture, dumbass.
Oh, that's... Hi, this is for Daniel. Up close and personal, I might say.
Look at Michelle.
Shut up. I was cute. Look at me and Lena, look. Okay. We begged to stand next to each other in the yearbook photo, even though we weren't, like, you know, supposed to.
Look at her.
Shut up. I did do that.
Look at her.
And then, look. We're posing together.
We're right there. You can see
Do you
her
see
arm.
us? We're posing. That little bitch is in front of us, but right in the back. We're posing. Okay. And then there's this one. Where's us? Where are we? Oh, there we are. See? Look at how cute we are. We were BFFs.
With our little bangs. Look at us. Wait.
We had bangs,
Wrong
dude.
people right there.
Daniel said to never get bangs. Oh.
Wait, and I look
We are not
so
there
ugly in that one.
I know, it's okay. and then we're doing funny faces together.
Oh, yeah, right.
This is all second
There.
grade stuff, Daniel. I found this in my room. And then I made Lena sign her name in cursive.
This is in second. Wait.
I signed my own name because I'm that gay. We were so cool.
You're a faggot.